Today we're going to make clay hearts that are textured out of Model Magic. We're also going to be gluing these to a background that we make later. First, you're going to start with a package of Model Magic and you'll open it up. And the cool thing about this is that we can dye it using Crayola markers. So you'll want to pick similar colors, maybe 2 or 3 colors to color your Model Magic with. And then you'll color on top and you'll roll it back into a ball, kneading the color in. When you choose your colors, you can look at the color wheel and look at colors that sit next to each other on the color wheel, like pink and red or purple and red or green and yellow. If you picked opposite colors, like red and green, you would get a brown or gray color, and that wouldn't be very pretty. So try to pick colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. These are called analogous colors. You'll need to color your Model Magic a couple times. I'm doing mine about 4 times when I'm flattening it and then I'm coloring it again on one side. You might get some color on your fingers, but that is okay. These are washable markers and it will come off. Once you have a color that you like, flatten your Model Magic a little bit. Then you'll get a texture plate and you're going to press the texture into your clay. When you take the plate off, you'll be able to see a cool texture below. If you don't like it, you can always roll it back up and do it again. If at any time today we run out of time and you're not done, then you can save your Model Magic in your baggie with your name on it. Make sure you seal your bag. After we're done with our Model Magic, we'll be making a colorful background to glue our hearts on. We'll be using these cool tempera paint sticks to draw designs and patterns on a bright colored piece of paper. I'm drawing hearts all over this yellow paper. Some are going off the page, and I'm trying to fill in all of my space. I'm overlapping my hearts. I'm using different colors. After our background is done, our next step will be gluing our heart to the background. But before we do that, we have to cut out our heart. So we have cookie cutters in our box at our table. There are 3 sizes. You can decide what you want to use, but make sure that your Model Magic fits the cookie cutter size. If you have extra clay, you can put it in your baggie. You can take the extra clay home, or you can make something else out of it. When you're happy with your heart, then you're going to glue it onto your background. We're going to use white Elmer's glue, not too much, but just enough so that it stays on our paper. You might want to try 2 hearts. You'll need to do this twice. So first, cut out a small heart and then take it out of the cookie cutter. Then roll your extra clay back up. Remember to put your texture plate on. And then cut out your second heart. If you choose to do 2 small hearts, you'll end up with a thicker heart. If you choose to do 1 heart, your Model Magic will be a little bit thinner, which is also okay. Then we'll glue these hearts to the background. Our Model Magic will dry on our paper. Make sure that your name is on the back and put it on the drying rack.